Start?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm thinking about it's story time. Is what is good telling about you or ours. So I'm thinking about the first one. I'm thinking about my opinion is man stereotype. So what do you think about ideal man? Every guy have ideal man, right? Or ideal boyfriend, ideal my future boyfriend, future wife. Or some people have a handsome, or some people have a brave. Some people have like a gentle, like that guy, or that boys.
Oh.
Yeah, all of men is handsome. Not all of men are handsome. So many women think about my future boyfriend, my future husband, handsome or gentle, like don't make a stereotype, right? Everybody think about my future boyfriend is such a good boyfriend, right? Or your ex-boyfriend also. So my topic is man stereotype. Okay, I'm telling about man stereotype. First one is men are strong. Second, men are sensitive. Yeah, men are sensitive. Yeah, not except me. And second is men are lazy. So I'm explaining about first one. Men are strong. Yeah. Yeah, all people think man is stronger than woman. Of course, it is true because we are different body, we are different mind, we are different hobby. So it is correct. So man is like baseball or like basketball, rugby, tennis. Every sport we are like what we usually find as manly beauty. So strong man is equal manly beauty, but it is not true. All of man is not strong, like that guy. Actually, you can see this. You can see him. He doesn't have a muscle. Some people is fat. Some people is thin. But you know, they can love to someone. They have a heart. So sometimes it is perfect than strong guys. So don't forget that guys. And second, men are sensitive. Men are not sensitive. Yeah, men are not sensitive because men is like just like sports, or some men is just like upbeat sound music. There is just like strong things. In American people think about it, it's just stereotyping man, but in Korea and in Japan it's a little bit different because we like shopping, like we like to watch a movie. Sometimes we are watching movie while we can cry while watching movie or drama. Yeah, it is common in Korea. Really? Yeah, that's my case. And also, well, sometimes that guy is they are is gentleman. For example, they are prepared for event to someone like a girlfriend or parents or sometimes their friends. It is a really good thing. I think there is such a good guy. And the last one, men are lazy. Yeah, okay. You can see easily your house with your father. So many young girls, yeah, many young girls think man who related her father. But you think about it, their father is work hard to their workplace or their is outside. After that, they are very tired. They want to take a rest on their house because this is their house, not other house. So they can just lay on their sofa and just eating some food and watching TV like couch potato. But it is not lazy. Yeah, it's just like a lifestyle. Their lifestyle. And of course, men also have a hobbies like learning and exercise, of course. We can work very hard. Also, we are it is kind of is my thing. We are not lazy. We are shaving every day. Yeah, it is equal makeup. Put on the makeup to woman. Yes. So I think a man is not lazy. So it's my conclusion. Don't think about our beauty. Just focus on the inner beauty. We can think about our beauty and inner beauty, but I think about the inner beauty is more important. Inner beauty is more important. As life goes on, our beauty will fade away. Well, we will only be left our characteristic and personality. So don't forget our personality and characteristic. Thank you.